Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for April 21st, going into the 22nd. Hope everybody had a good day trading today. We're going to jump into the natural gas first. Been rallying up off the lows here for the past 5 days. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff right now. I warned of macro exhaustion at 258.10. Let's make this a little bit lower. At 258.10, we held that with a 256.10 low and bounced 185 ticks. The trade back above 263.40 has brought in 112 ticks of strength, and then the trade above 264.60 projects this upward 85 ticks minimum, 255 ticks plus maximum. And we obtained 100 ticks of that so far. And that was breaking above this formation and this formation. Or we had a lower one in here and then this one. Decent failure below this formation, which is going to come in at 268.70 plus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant a decent pressure. Bear with me a second. Decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 28 ticks. Maintain gap higher in here tomorrow will leave a medium bullish reversal that'll warrant a higher trade for days/weeks. Okay, crude oil, we left that minor bullish reversal below. Yesterday we warned about, and now we're seeing follow through strength. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff right now. I said the trade above 85.67 warrants of decent strength. That was a break back above this line right here, and we've seen strength up to 91.45. And like I said, we left that bullish reversal below yesterday. And then I said decent trade above this formation right in here at 88.13 minus 5.5 per hour. We'll project this upward $11.50 plus. And we broke above that when it was trading, when that line came in at 87.97. And it's traded up to 91.45 so far before rolling back over. If we fail back down through this line decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure. It's going to come in at 87.58 minus 5.5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 158 ticks up until the 9 o'clock open. A maintained gap low in there tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. We do have a sizable bullish formation above or a ways away from it. I doubt we're going to see something like that overnight, but nonetheless, just be aware it comes in at 97.98. Minus 1 tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that would project this upward $18 minimum. And in the RBOB, or unleaded gasoline, we left that minor bullish reversal below yesterday. Seeing more of that strength coming in here. Took out this formation above as well. 2 of them. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade above 3 even 24 has brought in strength up now up to 315.03. And I said decent trade above 305.60 minus 6 ticks per hour which we broke above when it was trading 305.41. Projects this upward 8.3 cents minimum, 40 cents plus maximum. Like I said, we've traded up to 315.03. If we were to fail back down through that line decently, it's going to warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 304.98 as of 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But this line right here will be coming in slightly above it. A decent break below that line will also warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 305.44 plus 11 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. This is not a line to get long above. It was simply a rejection line in which we saw a bit of a rejection. A maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. And the heating oil left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday. I said that that would have more credibility once we take out 361.83, which we took out today. Okay, the heating oil. Said yesterday we left a minor bullish reversal below. Like I said, however, we had broken back down below this line here. We came off down to 337.58, but then broke above this steep line this morning. I said that decent trade above 348.10 minus 29 per hour. We'll project this upward 17 cents minimum, 76 cents plus maximum. We broke above that when it was trading 347.52, and we have traded up to 368.38, attaining the minimum. So we're 20 cents. We were looking for 17 cents minimum, 76 cents plus maximum. That's going to be shaved a little bit into tomorrow. This line here is no longer useful. If we were to fail back down through where this line comes in at 6 o'clock, which is going to come in at 345.24 minus 29 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m., that'll warn of decent pressure. A decent penetration in there is going to be 628 ticks on Globex up until tomorrow's open. Okay, in the Brent, we also left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday. And I said that will be more, excuse me, drop down here. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. Said decent trade above 96.44 will warrant decent strength. And we broke above that when it was trading 94.62. I apologize. I had a mistake on here. I had this at 96.44. I had forgotten to update this in this part of the paragraph, but I had the correct pricing here at 94.77. And that broke above that at 94.62. And we've rallied up to 99.95. Decent failure back below that formation. Which is going to come in at 94.01, starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll warrant decent pressure again. In the gas oil, we left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday. I said that'll be more effective once we take out 1171.25, which we still have not taken out yet. We did, however, take out this formation. I said to get long above 1103.28 minus 137 per hour. And that will project this upward 65 minimum, 320 plus maximum. And we broke above that where it came in roughly at 1097.82. We've traded up to 1162.25. A further break above this formation, further decent break above that formation will also likely to lend strength to gas oil. That's going to come in at 1158.27 plus 34 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A maintained gap lower in there tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. And going into tomorrow, the heating oil is the strongest of the three, the RBOB in the middle, and the crude the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.